Hello everyone. So welcome you all to the Achieversaddaugcnet platform. 27th June shift 1 2025 examination, which is paper 1 in commerce. So today morning commerce exam is being conducted and evening the English literature is going to be there. So in commerce shift, yesterday evening I have discussed a 1 hour, 1.5 hour session. So some questions were triggered again from the same topics. So let's try to discuss what are the questions which were asked. I have taken directly from the students, the majority of questions. Data interpretation first, if you can see the data interpretation portion. Very easy and not much difficult data interpretation. There is A, B, C, D, E, F. Students are given section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. Maximum marks scored by them has been given. We need to identify the 5 questions that which are as compared to one student to another or one section to another section, increasing, decreasing. This calculation based question was there. DI is moderate in nature, not too difficult. It may be lengthy for the students who did not practice the DI at all. So for them it will be definitely lengthy and definitely calculated. So if you have practiced well for the DI, then it is within the range of solving only. Next, reading comprehension, which is dead easy one. Or only one question which is on statement based. This is difficult. Remaining 4 hours, as per them, it is easy only. That is a research scholar of Kenya, a research scholar in Kenya country, is doing a research related to the girls' education. So on that only the questions has been asked. The reading comprehension is very much easy. Next, let us go to the teaching aptitude. Teaching aptitude, Bloom's taxonomy, 2 questions has been asked. Bloom's taxonomy, 2 questions. One question is directly related to cognitive domain, and one question is affective domain. Affective domain related has been asked. One is matching, one is arrangement. One is matching and one is arrangement has been asked. One is matching and one is arrangement. Very actually overall the paper, the review of the paper 1 and commerce is as compared to the previous attempt. This paper they are saying it is easy, but don't know. After looking at all the 100 questions and 50 questions in paper 1, then only we can conclude that out of the excitement people may say that it is very easy and very easy questions has been asked. So it may not be like that. After getting answer key, the perception will change. Right. Next, here the question was related to evaluation matching, like formative, summative evaluation matching has been given. Matching question has been asked. Here 2 questions. One is matching, one is sequence. And there is a question which is related to increasing intention and increasing intention, decreasing extension, increasing extension, decreasing intention. Yesterday in the session I have discussed. The question is about denotation. Denotation, where brewery some examples has been given. Based on that, we need to just answer. This is also liberal. And in logical reasoning, again the questions are related to composition fallacy, fallacy of division and fallacy of composition. Composition fallacy. Also, the question related to square of opposition as well as logically equivalence question. And there is a question related to Vapti. Vapti example, whatever we covered in the class, example as it is same. Always they use the same examples to ask. Vapti relationship has been asked. Yes, paper is very good if prepared. Next, if you look at the research design, process of research design. Process of research design has been asked. After that, the question is related to environmental disasters like risk exposure, exposure assessment, risk assessment. The sequence, this is a PYQ of January 2025, which I have discussed in the class. right? This sequence, disaster management sequence in that exposure assessment, risk assessment will be there. And there is a one more January 2025 similar question, that UV rays and infrared rays, this when the sunlight is coming from the sky, and how, what are the different rays which will be there in the sequence based on the magnitude we need to arrange. It's a PYQ. It's a PYQ. And here there is a question related to earthquake waves. P wave, S wave will be there na, P wave, S wave, Raleigh waves. All these waves are there, primary waves and secondary waves. So earthquake related question has been asked. And there is also a question related to yesterday discussed NPQ, binomial distribution, where n is given, p is given, q is equal to 1 minus p. We need to calculate by multiplying the mean has been asked, not the variance. Mean we need to identify and match it. This is also a PYQ based. Next, there is a question related to higher education one body full form. Can anyone tell me what was the full form which was asked? Higher education one full form has been asked. So what was the exact full form? Exact full form. What was the full form which has been asked? This I can't able to get it from anyone. Next, matching. The matching is WWW, invented by Tim Berners-Lee. And after that, WWW, computer architecture, John Bowman. Computer architecture given by John Bowman. Next, there is a father of modern computer, Charles Babbage. Matching, one more matching is there. So this matching question has been asked. International regulatory for higher education. International regulatory for higher education. Next, again movies related is concentrated more. Movies related, three types of question. One question is requirements of script writing. Script writing statement has been given. Script writing requirements. After that, there is a film institute. Matching film institutes as well as their location or the city, we can say. Like Delhi is there, and Noida is there. So Delhi or else Indore. Like this, the place names, 4 place names are given, 4 film cities are given, film institutes. And there is a third question related to the movies, that yesterday Alam Ar or something, Alam Ar as well as Sholay and Raja Harishchandra. This movies related question. This movie is related matching or somewhere here. In PESEL, that is paper 2, na? So first let us discuss the paper 1. If you can contribute to paper 1, it will be very much helpful to the upcoming. Because paper 2 commerce is again not going to happen. Next, there is a question which is related to security of the network. Security of the network. So that is definitely, it should be related to firewall. So in the option there is a firewall as well as worm and other. So security means it is firewall or it must be firewall. And here there is a matching related to research. In research, the matching is that introductory in the thesis report, introductory will be there, or prefatory will be there, prefatory. Like different sections are given, we need to match it with the respective. So in which section, what are the contents to be covered? That matching was given. Acha, this is related to IRA full form. This has been covered in National Knowledge Commission, IRA National IRA Independent Regulatory Authority of Higher Education, which has been suggested by National Knowledge Commission 2005, Sam Petroda Commission. There is a short which I posted on this, concept number 12, if I am not wrong. Next, there is also one question related to this question. Just let me tell you, exact question also there. UGC, AICTE, UGC, AICTE, as well as Education Commission. Education Commission might be match the following question. This is common question, very regular question, which is from the shift number 1. And there is a convention on biological diversity, Kyoto Protocol, and also International Solar Alliance, United Nations Climate Action, which is a Paris Agreement. Next, assessment by demonstrative learning assessment. Demonstrative, which will be demo given by the teacher. So how will you conduct the assessment in demonstrative learning? Next, there is also a question related to which of the following is not a communication technology? Not a communication technology. Number 1, news reader. Number 2, the email, WhatsApp, smartphone. Email, WhatsApp, smartphone. Not a communication technology, yes. And there is a professional. Which of the following is not a professional communication? Not a professional communication. Which of the following is not a professional communication? Which is, again, news reader, smartphone, So there are 2 more options. In logically equivalent, both can be false but cannot be true together. What it will be? Both can be false and but cannot be true together. Next, these are gamma rays, X-rays, and risk management. Radio wave, light wave, microwave, and 2 more waves. Radio wave, light wave, and 2 more waves. Okay. Next, there is a question which is related to mathematics. If you look at the maths, so if a person is purchasing, this is basically a profit and loss question. What will be the selling price if they sell at 25% extra discount? What will be the selling price? And there are 4 statements in a maths. 2 statements are related to time and speed or the distance related. 2 statements are related to x and y. which statements are correct statement need to identify out of the 4 statements. And there is a question which is square of opposition contrary has been asked. Great. Now there is a question which is convert the given number. There is a 9-digit numbers are given. So if we convert the given series, if we convert the next number, if one number is replaced with the next number or the next number is replaced with the current number and 9 with a 0, then what will be the new series? 9 is replaced with a 0, what will be the new series? So in this entire number, the 9 also there, if 9 is replaced with a 0, what will be the new series? That's how the question is being asked. Next, child, dream as well as leader. Alphabet series. Child, dreamer, and the question is what is given and what will be the number or the code for leader. That's the question. Next, there is a one more. If a square minus b square and a is to b, b is to c, then what will be the c is to a or something? Can anyone tell me exact what is the question has been asked on this? Is it match the following or a statement based? What it is? These are the questions from paper 1. Right, paper 1, these are the questions. Basically from paper 1. Wave sequence. Waves. Wave sequence. Radio wave. This is a PY. I think this question and this is somehow related question only. Here, this microwave as well as light waves. This is the solar only. Solar sequence, microwave, light waves will be there as well as UV rays, infrared rays, gamma rays. Gamma rays will be there. The sequence has been asked. So that is, I think, related to the same. These are the questions from paper 1. Overall, the questions are very, very liberal question as compared to yesterday. The movies related is they are concentrating more. So shift to people as your paper 2 is English literature. Highly can be concentrated. And paper 2 commerce is as per as the feedback which I received. Paper 2 commerce is very, very good this time as compared to previous attempts. So like a PESIL analysis, what will be the T in PESIL analysis? And even IMF related questions are also balance of payment, matching, current account, accommodating item, below the line item. So these things are very much regular. Even income tax also, the questions are related to double taxation. Arm length price is given and 91, section 91, section 90 related question is being given. Tax avoidance has been given as well as Agniveer fund deduction section 80 CCH. So these are the questions which are there from the paper 2. I got overall paper 2 also, but I am not discussing here, which will be useful for, because the paper 2 commerce is not useful for the upcoming. Only paper 1 will be useful. That is why I am mentioning only the paper 1 in the analysis. Right. So before going for the examination, as the exam is at 3 o'clock, try to look at the movies. Sholay, this Raja Harishchandra, as well as Alam, as well as recent box office collection, highest number of box office collection like Pushpa 2, Triple R, Bahubali. So, or else in the 1970 movies, Maine Pyar Kiya, these somehow famous movies and their year, if you can look at it, will be useful to you. Thank you so much. If you like our content, please do hit a like button and share with your friends. And commerce people, Congratulations to all the aspirants who are going to qualify this examination, because paper is very much liberal, expecting that high number of result also. Thank you.